Okay, for core training, we're now going to pick up with our um, modified videos from Craig Hughes's playlist. Of course, his videos are fantastic. We're going to do a whole bunch of this, but now at this point, we just want to get through the remaining pieces of this for the core training. So at this point, let's go ahead and go up to the animation mode. Okay, and once we're in the animation mode, again, we did this yesterday, we're going to go into transform components. I'm going to select a component, select a vector, and pull it apart. Say OK and save. So there's my barrel bottom and my grip. Okay, and then so that's what I would need to do also, and this is again reviewing what we did yesterday. We're going to do a new drawing from animation. I want to make sure that I'm going to pick my template file. We'll go ahead and say OK. So there's my Carabier pen. I might even be able to go 2:1 scale. Let's see, will that make it too big? Having trouble with my keyboard again here. There we go. Go ahead and plop that on there. Looks good. I could even do that shaded. Say OK. There's my components. And the other step here that we want to do is adding a parts list. So up on under the tables panel on the ribbon, we'll go find the parts list. And then let's go ahead and dock that right to the title block. And then the other thing we want to do with these balloons is we want to kind of move them. Oops, I got too many things selected there. When you want those balloons and the leaders on those balloons to point at an outside edge, not to be going across the part, because then the arrowhead goes on top of the part on the leader line. So let's make sure that they're, we might have to reposition these and make sure that they are on the outside edges of the part. Oops, that still got moved again. Let's go. There we go. Yep, it keeps jumping. Let's try that. There we go. So we want those leaders to be on the outside of the part. And yesterday, in some of your sketches, your drawings, your balloons were going across the part. Okay, so that gets you through the next deliverable for block 9.